So our next chore is to get the dirt off of that. And then we're going to slide this pulley in place, which is for our recoil. And as you can see, it has a spring on the back and it has a little pin right down in here. And that has to fit onto a hole on the outcome here. Now, what I need to do is I need to turn the inside shaft so that the key lines up. You got to do two things at once here. You got to get the keyway to line up, and then I got to get this pin to line up on the shoulder here. See how I can do this. Takes 3 sets of hands. Okay. Okay, it was a struggle all the way through, but we got it. There it is. Yes, sirree, Bob. Yeah, let me turn around so you can see it from the other side. There you go. So that's all ready to be assembled with the rest of the motor. Onward and upward. Okay, now we need to put this intake port cover on the side of the cylinder, and this one I do not have a gasket for. It was pretty well chewed up, so we're going to put a coat of gasket maker around the edges. And I see my cap didn't stay on my tube. Oh, it's lined up here. I know I have some loops there. And little tiny screws. They're not helpful for old man with shaky hands, but we will overcome. We will not. We get one side on this side. Come over here and wipe that rubber loop off there. Get another side over here. Now we're going to put on our breaker plate, and you will see that I have already installed the shaft for my governor, and this is going to go on here. Let's see, this goes on here like this. Just like that, I do believe. That's the way that goes on. Okay, so now the next thing to go on here is our ignition system. Start the wire feeds down through this hole here. And here's our breaker plate. I'm going to set the timing where I think it was originally, not mine, but it was originally, so I'm going to turn it, but the marks from the star washers were much more pronounced with it all the way to the left. So we're going to set that way. And this particular key not only was used for the flywheel, but it also was used to locate the cam for the points. Okay, so that's on there. Now to line up our flywheel with the key, and it goes in just like that. And the thing that holds that on is this nut, which actually also doubles as the part for the recoil starter to engage. And it goes so that We're not going to go crazy with that. All right. Now, I have put these screws in place here that holds the shroud on. So what you do is you get the two bottom ones in, and then you drop this one in here, and then you tip this back out this way, and you drop this one down in on this side. And at the same time close it up like that. How's that? Woohoo! So now I can just bolt it together and we'll be ready to try it, see how it works. Okay, you gotta watch right down here. You move some of the junk out of the way, maybe you can see it better. Watch right there on our spark tester. I turned the lights out so you could see it really well, okay? Watch. See that? We got spark.